You're looking for a longer bob, low density? I got you. Hey guys, welcome back in. I'm Eileen. Today we're looking at Gabor Glam Era. This color is shaded Iced Mocha. All right, before we get started, I know this is not my color, but I'm going to tell you again, like I've told you a million times, this channel is not about me. This channel is about you. I'm here to help you find what you might love and what you might think looks great on you. So although it might not be my color or for me, that has nothing to do with it. I want to make sure you see everything. Now this is from the Gabor Designer Series. Such a beautiful, trendy, but not too trendy style that really I think is a classic. This was sent to me by Wig Studio One. So please look at the drop down box below and there'll be a link down there where you can order. Also join us in our private Facebook group, Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. That is a great place to be. There is Sell It Sunday. You can sell, buy and sell your gently used wig and toppers. We have live broadcast. We have pictures and conversation about wigs. It is really a great place for encouragement and support, and I look forward to seeing you over there. Now look at this wig. I'm a big fan of razor cut ends. I just think they provide a lot of movement. It gets light on the ends, and that gives a lot of movement, and this wig certainly does have a lot of movement. Just want to make sure you see that. Now this is a center part and it is a center mono part. I don't think that you're going to be able to move this much. That's just my opinion. It only runs, and I'm going to show you the inside of the cap, but there's not much room there to move it. So I'm thinking this one is probably going to need to stay as a center part. But I like the cut of this. I like that it's longer. It's beautiful. It comes down, of course. Face framing. Yeah, it's nice. Now, this fit me quite large. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. I've had a weight loss, so I think my head might be a little smaller. I need to remeasure it, but I really had to bring in the adjusters, and I'll show you that as well. Now, there is some permatease. I feel some permatease right here in the top of this, right beside that mono part. There's some permatease here, and I also feel it at the nape. Not a huge amount at the nape, but it is there, and I always want to call that to your attention. Now these are heat-friendly fibers, so you'll need to add some heat. You know, this length, it's going to rub on your clothing, so there will come a time you will have to add a little heat to keep these looking great. If you need any information about how to do that, please reach out to us at support@wigstudio1.com. They will give you the recommendation by the manufacturer of what temperature to use. Make sure you're using the correct temperature. It does vary between manufacturers, so you will need to add some heat eventually to this. But look at these heat-friendly fibers. They're not shiny. They feel and look like human hair. Just really, really nicely done. Now for the specs, the front is 10. The crown on this one is 10.5. The sides are 8.25, and the back is also 8.25, and it has a 4.25 inch nape. Let's just take a few minutes and talk about shaded iced mocha. How beautiful is this? It's a medium brown, and then it has these light brown highlights running through there. I also see some blonde highlighting in here. Now I'm going to insert some outdoor footage, but as I was looking at this, I really noticed there was a few just strategically placed highlights right around the face, and I thought, now that is a nice touch. That gives it dimension. This is not flat in any way, but I just think they did a beautiful job on this highlighting. Now this is a shaded color, very subtle. The root is a little darker. So GF812SS is the color code for this. Okay, for styling, I'm just going to take a little wig wax. You've seen me use it so many times. And I'm just going to separate the fibers just a little. Again, just creating separation and movement. I like to do that. I like the feel of that product, and I'm just going to liven up these fibers a little. As we always say, you know, these have been kind of smashed in the box during shipping, so get your hands in there, pull them away from the cap. Don't be afraid to do that, and you will see a difference. You will feel like you'll get a more natural movement and certainly a more natural look. You could also, now I don't think this is long enough to put in a ponytail, but let's see. It would have to be a very small, low ponytail, not really enough length for that, but you know, you could wear this completely off your face if you would like. You can pull it up on the sides. You could do a half up and a half down with this one. There's a lot you can do with this length. Wow, what a beautiful style. This is just a classic, I feel like. If you're looking for a low density bob, have a look at this one. Thanks for stopping by my channel today and having a look at this beautiful style from Gabor. Again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@wigstudio1.com, and I really look forward to seeing you over in the Facebook group, Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.